Photography. My way of sharing with the world the travels I am fortunate enough to experience. Well, you gotta pay for this travel somehow, so the month of June is up. Let's see what images I sold in the month of June. Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to my channel. This is where I'm going to be sharing with you my travel and photography experiences and some of the ways of how I pay for it. One of the ways I pay for this travel is through the stock photography market. And every month I share with you some of the images that I've sold in the stock photography world. So if this interests you, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's start taking a look at some of the images. Oh hey, real quick, if you hear a slight rumbling in the background, it's because I got a really big dog in here snoring away, so sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's take a look at our first image. Now this image actually sold for the first time less than 24 hours before it went online. This is actually from an episode I shot on the south rim of the Grand Canyon in winter. So I was up in the observation tower on by the east entrance of the park, and with everybody excelling in there, the moisture was freezing on the windows. Alright, I think I'm gonna stand here in the window for a minute. It's nice and warm. And it was forming these really awesome ice patterns. So thank you to whoever bought this image. I believe it is in Santiago, Chile. So here is another first time image sale. We are heading into the monsoon season here in Arizona, and I'm hoping to be home enough that I can capture some awesome monsoon imagery. Last year I was able to catch one, and is from my episode on shooting the monsoon. This image actually is sold on a couple, or at least similar images of this. Has sold a few times, but this particular one, it's the first time it's sold on Big Stock Photo, and this was a 33-cent sale. So this image is from a morning drive in Prince Albert National Park. So I decided to get up really early and just head down a dirt road just to enjoy the North Woods in the morning and hopefully get some fog, some mist. I actually got to see a bear from a distance, but I got to see a bear. So anyhow, this particular image was again a 33-cent image sold on Shutterstock. This next image is a first time image sale. The episode that I shot this, which was a nighttime photo shoot in Seoul, Korea, it doesn't even air till July 18th. So it sold very quickly to someone in, Bangkok, Thailand. I believe is where it's sold. So anyhow, I was very lucky to get this image because little did I know, as soon as I took the final frame, just a few seconds later, they turned off the lights. I got one panel made and they shut the lights off, so we'll see how it goes. So this panorama was basically a one-shot opportunity, and I think I nailed it. This next image sold on Dreamstime. Now, this one was a $4.50 sale, so that's pretty good for Dreamstime. It's from an episode I shot up in Sedona during winter. So you could see this is just a very beautiful day in Arizona, and this image is a panorama of a trail leading out into the red rocks of Sedona. Now Dreamstime also did something good this month, in which a patriotic image sold particularly several times towards the end of June. So I know a couple of you bloggers out there were using it. So this is an illustration and a photo combined together. So what I did is I took a image of a wood wall, superimposed an American flag on top of it, and then gave it a white vignette around the edges. And what you could see is just a neat patriotic image. So that one sold 4 times in the last week of June for only $3.05. But the cool thing is this image and a sister image in which I have a black vignette constantly sells towards any major U.S. patriotic holiday, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day. This type of imagery sells. Alright, let's talk about the stock site that absolutely dominated my sales this month. As a matter of fact, I would have had a really disappointing month if it wasn't for this last stock site. We're kind of entering what I call the summer slowdown, at least for my portfolio. These next few months generally have probably about a 30-40% decrease in sales from the previous months. So it was really awesome to be able to have a stock site just absolutely outperform, and that was Adobe Stock. So this particular image is actually the Ascension of Jesus Christ mosaic in Venice, Italy, on the cathedral in Piazza San Marco. So for those of you who follow this channel, you know how much I absolutely love Venice, and to get an image, $3.22 sale from Venice is just awesome. Alright, this next image that you're going to see was the biggest selling image of the month, and it was sold on Adobe Stock. This is an image of an Arizona sunset that I took when I was filming an episode that I called Shooting Travel Locally. Because you have to remember, wherever you're at, it's actually a destination for somebody else. So it's still travel photography if you think about it. So anyhow, this image, get ready for it, $26.40. Not bad. Well, that is some of the images that I have sold in the stock photography market in the month of June. Now I want to read you guys one of my comments. This is from Jason Sponseller. Thanks, man. Although I do love a good travel video, I'm very interested in earning reports. I like your monthly upload report as well. Good channel. Alright, Jason, so here's the deal. I am going to give you a quarter 2 report in just a few weeks. Getty Images, one of the sites I use, they wait till like the 20th of the month before they report your monthly earnings. So after I get that, I will shoot another video and I will share with you what will be the best quarter I've ever had since selling on the stock photography market. Also, my personal site, snapbysnap.com, where I sell my images, that one is also starting to do very well. So I'll be sharing you some of the sales data from that. So again, if you guys want travel and photography tips, click that subscribe button. I really appreciate a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next episode. Have a good one.